Good morning! Not even morning. It is 3:07. Good afternoon. It is the start of spooky season. We have something super exciting. We're going to Huluween. I don't know what to expect completely, but we're gonna watch American Horror Story, so it's gonna be kind of scary. I don't know. So that's not until like late at night. So right now we're gonna get a car wash so that we could watch clearly through my windshield. I'm feeling very productive. I filmed a hair tutorial on how I curl my hair. If you want to watch it, I'm gonna link it here. After we get a car wash, seemed like you were going fast to miss it. Then we're gonna try to go find some thrift stores. I had the amazing idea to go to some in Anaheim because maybe we would find some like cool Disney stuff too. We came back home to kiss the doggies and pack snacks. Oh! Oh my gosh, that's so cute. So we bought snacks at Target, but we're still gonna pick up some burgers and fries from Tam's. We haven't tried it yet, but it's very poppin' and very popular. Does poppin' mean popular?
I don't know, I just said
Poppin'. Popular. This is my dirty socks. Disgusting. See you when we're driving. We are now in the drive-through line. We will be here for a while. We are trying out this burger place that is always busy, but we've never had it ourselves. We're just trying to figure out what to order.
3 stars out of 5.
Yeah, 3 out of 5. Is that bad? That's bad.
It's like a fast food rating.
I'm just gonna get the bacon western, which I'm assuming is like the Jack in the Box one, right?
It looks similar, yeah.
Like onion rings.
Are you gonna share with me? Because
I mean, I'll let you have some. What do you mean?
Like, are you gonna have some of mine? Like, should I get
No,
that?
get your own. We have so much snacks.
Just want a lot of meat, but if it's...
Get a double.
I don't know if I can get a double
Double avocado. Okay, we moved one car up. We just ordered, and it's already off to a very weird start. Isaac is so annoyed. I feel weird, like what if he could hear us? But anyways, the guy taking our order is kind of like Chick-fil-A, where they have a guy standing like out in the parking lot because it's a really long line. It was just so weird.
I was like, can I get cheese? Alright, you got ranch? Like, what ranch?
Yeah. So I was like, oh, can I add cheese on my burger? And he's like, okay, 2 ranch. So awkward. Oh yeah, it smells good.
Thank you, sir.
We're moving.
Maybe ask them to like scoot up a bit.
Oh, this is tight. Hit a cone. Well, I don't know if you guys can see it, but oh, there's a pizza truck there. Oh my gosh, cute. I'm so excited. Okay, the inside of my windshield is just, I'm sure you've seen it in the other clips, but we're trying to wipe it as clean as we can from the inside because there's so many like marks. Right now we're still waiting in line. It looks like there's still a screen playing something. I don't know if there's cars down there, but we're like up on this hill. Oh, there's a Halloween guy. He called you Mr. Alec.
It's okay.
They gave us this card. This is to order. We have burgers or pizza, but we brought some already.
Hi.
Hi.
Welcome. I got a goodie bag for you.
Well,
How many in your
thank
party?
you. 2.
Just 2. Oh my gosh.
Thank
Have
you.
so much fun tonight, guys.
Thank you. like 2 episodes. Was it 2? Yeah, technically 2. They played us 2 episodes, and they were kind of, can't even see it. I guess I won't say spoilers, but pretty good. Kind of disgusting, but I will watch the rest of the season. We're waiting to exit the lot. Oh, the windows are open in the back too. But we did get this cute gift bag. I think I'll probably do a haul when we get home because my car is a mess. It's full of food right now. Look at this. Snacks and drinks everywhere. Bye, thank you. This is the goodie bag that they gave us. It's like a tote bag that's made out of recycled materials. This bag used to be bottles. It's the next morning because we got home pretty late last night and I just went straight to sleep. So let's see what's inside. So this is some white cheddar popcorn in this cute Disney Plus packaging. These cute lights, LED pumpkin necklace lights, super cute. A bunch of these. There's like 2, 3 of these. Some pins, stickers. Oh, these are like so cool. And then last but not least, this beanie. So cool. What do you think of the goodie bag?